Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk through how to add a new language keyboard to your Mac. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then select System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings app, scroll down until you find Keyboard and click on it. In the keyboard settings, we're looking for Input Sources. As you can see, I currently only have one keyboard, which is British. To add another one, click the Edit button next to Input Sources. This will bring up additional settings. To add a new keyboard, click the plus icon plus in the bottom left corner. Now, select the language keyboard you want to add. For this example, I'll add the Hindi keyboard. Once you've selected your language, you might see additional keyboard options. I'm going to choose the standard one and then click Add. You should now see the new keyboard added to your list. You can add as many as you like. Once you're ready, click Done, and you can close the keyboard settings. So, how do you actually switch to that keyboard and start typing? Go to any app where you can type. I'm going to use Notepad here. You'll see a new icon appear in the top menu bar. Click on this icon, and it will show you a list of all the keyboards you've added. Select the Hindi keyboard we just added. Now that the Hindi keyboard is selected, you can go ahead and start typing using that keyboard just as you normally would. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. This was just based on my own experience. Also, I'll put some helpful links in the description below, so check them out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.